Thanks for stopping by GF Explorers today. Our video is going to be short and sweet. We have been on the road for the last 2 days on our way down to Athens, Texas, so I can take the fundamental RV training course at the NRVTA Training Academy, which is where we are right now. It's Sunday evening. We just pulled into town. We're getting ourselves settled and ready to go. Start class first thing tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. So stay tuned for a full rundown of the NRVTA training course, as well as the campground and lots of other fun information.
So while Rich is in class all week, I am going to be in our tiny home that we rented here, which is so adorable, and I'm going to show you around that. I'm going to give you a little tour. I'm going to be working all week. I brought my computer, my huge monitor, my whole system. We're all set up. Internet's working great. I'm so excited. It's going to be like I'm at home working. Well, this is soon going to be our home working on the road, so I'm super excited about that.
And we'll see you in a couple of weeks. Okay, that's not exactly where I was when we landed, but I'll take it.
Isn't it gonna, it looks like it's gonna hit the pole.